Welcome to Tip Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks on how to fix your attics, basements, crawl spaces, and even some ductwork. Stay tuned. For today's Tip Tuesday, we are out on the field showing you how to tear down insulation. We have a special guest on Tip Tuesday. This is Cameron. He's one of our team leaders. He's gonna give us tips on how to pull down insulation.
Well, first you want to make sure you have the proper gear. You don't want to go in there without a face mask. I would recommend a full face mask. We usually use one of these guys. You can also go with a half mask. Those are handy. A pair of gloves is going to be nice. Suits are optional. Really nice to not be itchy and stuff, but super simple. You know, you want to go in there, just pull it down. As far as getting it out, we just use trash bags. Sometimes we'll even wrap it up in the vapor barrier that's on the ground. Makes it a little bit quicker. Definitely want to get that stuff out of there. I know a lot of times we'll find mice have been up in there. You got to watch out for rodents. They like to nest in the fiberglass, so it's always a good idea to pull that stuff out of your crawl space.
Awesome, thank you for that tip. Catch you on the next one.